If you're gearing up to make parts like this, on the 9th and 10th of July, NCMT are opening their doors for a fantastic gear seminar. Rather than me talk about it, I'm going to speak to Richard. Richard, 2 years ago you had an amazing and very successful gear seminar, but why are you repeating this on the 9th and 10th of July?
Just really to show the advancements we've made since that time, really. So we're going to show some more features on the machine, show power skiving again, because that's a big focus. We're also going to be looking at gear grinding on this machine, so on a multitasking machine, looking at gear grinding. That's quite unique. We've got a lot of software we've been developing on that. As well as that, we've got our 5-axis machine showing spiral bevel gear manufacturing. This will be a closed loop system with Dontine and hexagon metrology, so we're looking at making a closed loop system on the machine. And on top of that, we're also going to have guest speakers. So the guest speakers, we're going to have Rob Fraser from the BGA, and we're going to have David Curtis from the AMRC. Getting up talking, to these people that are really interested in gears, giving them an in-depth knowledge of what the outcome is of flexible manufacturing. So we've got machines that can do multiple processes, turning, grinding, milling, and also this gear manufacturing, all in one system.
And do you see the market in gear manufacturing, is it getting larger?
Yeah, there's a big call now for gears, and people are looking at things like electric cars, for instance, electric vehicles where they have gearboxes on each wheel. So the demand for gears is increasing massively.
And do you think the NCMT brand and the Akuma machines are well placed to educate people in gear manufacturing?
Yeah, definitely. We've put a lot of effort into this, a lot of effort into gear manufacturing. We're studying hard with gears because before, it's always been bespoke machines that have done this gear manufacturing, whereas nowadays we can do this on, general purpose multitasking machines. So we've had to put a big focus on this, a lot of knowledge being taken in.
So, limited spaces and the 9th and 10th of July here at NCMT. Book your place now.